Hello and welcome to Hemisphere Cars. I'm your host Juan Cobos, and I hope you enjoy the next video. So let's get to it. Okay, here's the package. Let's see what's in it. It should be a wireless adapter for Android Auto. Okay, let's open this up. Created quite a mess there. Have to clean that up. Let's see, is this package taped? Yeah, of course. I guess I should say wrapped. It's definitely wrapped in plastic, which is a good thing, I guess. Okay, let's get this thing open. Just like this side. And what do we have? As usual, the instructions are in there. We have the Lobo Air wireless adapter. We have the USB connection there. And then we have an adapter to go to USB-C. And I think I just used the standard USB-A or whatever the letter is there on my challenge. Let's take another look. Pull this out of here a little bit. Lobo Air. Oh, not much over there. And let's see what kind of plug this is. Looks like a USB-C. Yeah, okay. Snap it in. So this is all I should need. I think I have a USB-C in my center console. I might put it in there, or I might put it in the A, whichever that is. Okay, let's read the product instructions. Connect the SmartBox with the data interface through a USB cable. Choose the car screen projection mode. Wait for data reading and connection. Okay, basically turn on your radio. Okay, 4. Connect to car. Turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of the Android phone. Enter the Bluetooth search page. Find the Bluetooth device named SmartBox. Pair the corresponding Bluetooth. After the first pairing, the device will connect to the car automatically. Make sure the device you want to connect to is in the pairing mode. Please wait a few seconds after successful connection. Then the mobile phone's interface will be displayed on the car machine, which means you can use wireless Android Auto. Okay, that's quite a bit of the instructions that I read. So let's go into the car and try and put this thing in a functioning mode. Okay, I'm here at a shopping center, and I have my radio on. I have it on the apps page, so when I connect, it'll turn on the Android Auto when I get this thing going. I have my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on my Android phone, Lobo Air, and I'm going to plug it into my USB port. There we go. and it turned on. So that's good. And I'll put a piece of Velcro on this another time and just have it attached there. Okay, so now I guess I'll try pairing it. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Smart box. So you see right there it says Smart box. So here we go. It's pairing. Passkey OK. Smart box says connected for calls. And it's doing something. There you see Android Auto just popped on the screen. Great. Okay. Let's just search categories. Okay, let's try coffee shops. And we'll go to Brakeman's. It's 13 minutes away. And start. Well, that's all to it. It's very simple. I can't believe that something actually works so well. So you can see the units in there. And like I said, I'm going to Velcro it in. So it just attaches to this material. And go from there. I didn't need to use the adapter because, let's see what I have here. It's just a USB-A, whatever. Okay, you don't need that. And I guess this Challenger doesn't have a USB-C up front here. That's what it did. No matter. It's working fine. And that's pretty much the end of this video. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hemisphere Cars, over and out.